Hello, welcome to our presentation we have about McDonald's.
Now I'll tell you some facts. McDonald's is a fast food restaurant that was founded in 1940 in USA by Richard and Maurice McDonald. McDonald's has been on the Danish market since 1981. McDonald's has over 31,000 restaurants in the world. Here in Denmark we have 86 of their restaurants. In 2011, McDonald's sold more than 1.6 billion Danish crowns. The Danish McDonald's is 100% owned by the USA. McDonald's mascot is called Ronald McDonald. In Denmark are 83% of Denmark's restaurants also owned by the franchise.
Strategy. The McDonald's is very local. They support the local sport clubs. They had not advertised since 2005 on TV and not advertised in the cinemas since 2008. If they advertise for the Happy Meals, it's only to the parents and it is only after 8 p.m. McDonald's love kids, so they have fought rules like in the other countries. Like when they advertise for the Happy Meals is always with the hamburger, organic milk and carrots.
The food. The McDonald's have for a few weeks get breakfast as you can get every day from 7 to 10 a.m. McDonald's food is very easy to find out what is in the burgers. So now we will tell you about what is in the burgers.
We start with the Big Mac. A double burger where the bread is split into 3 with Big Mac sauce, small onions, salad and pickles. McFeast with mustard, ketchup, large onions, pickles, salad, tomato, cheese and McFeast dressing. Hamburger. Small traditional burger with mustard, ketchup, small onions and pickles. Cheeseburger. Small traditional burger with mustard, ketchup, small onions, pickles and cheese. Quarter pounder. A burger with a bigger steak. The name quarter pounder is derived from the steak weight, a quarter of international pound, about 130 grams. With mustard, ketchup, large onions and cheese.
Big Tasty. A great burger with big steak, big tasty sauce with barbecue flour, large onions, salad, tomato and cheese. Mac Bacon. A special Danish variant, was stocked on the menus in the 1990s, but is now only on the special promotions, with mustard, ketchup, small onions, pickles, cheese and bacon. Mac Chicken. With chicken, salad and mayo. Filet-O-Fish with fish, tartar sauce and cheese. Thank you because you watched our presentation.
Hope you enjoy it.